Hello, we're back again with our um, practice. So we will be continuing our practice session. So last time we used CSS grid for our what do you call this layout, but earlier this afternoon while I was uh, going home, I realized something, and it made me actually think about it. What I realized was, according to the tutorial that we have read yesterday, the grid system of CSS is used for two axes. So it has a row and columns. Meanwhile, Flex only has one axis. It could be either the x-axis or the y-axis. So my mistake here is I thought I was making a two-axis layout, but realistically I'm still making a y-axis layout here, but it just so happens that it looks like a two axis because it has two columns, but actually this doesn't have two columns. It has only one axis, which is vertical. So it's actually wrong to use CSS grid for this situation. So I have to rewrite my design and change this one into flex. So actually we are trying to copy you call this Google Drive UI. Let's look at some examples. Picture gallery UI for mobile. Let's try picture gallery UI for mobile. So I think it's more fit to have it like this. Like this. It will be a square. So I want to know how we will be making that square. I guess we have to go and start over. So let's try an experiment but maybe let's fix this first. The margin is not what do you call this? I think it's the padding, maybe. The height of the web app is 100, the width is 100. It's placing line grid, which is also wrong. Image file holder, image file height. So I forgot what we were. So the gap is 10. So there should be no padding, maybe. No. So our problem is the width. Why is the width like that? Is it the padding? No. Is it the height? Is it the padding? Oh. Nope, it's not padding. Oh, we didn't specify a width. I forgot what the nope. Let's try fit content. Still nope. I forgot what we did last. The height is okay. The width is not. It's too much. Maybe it's because of the padding. Still there. I actually forgot what I did last time. So if the web app is the same with the wait a minute, the image file folder is inside the web app. Image file folders inside the web app. So the web app has a 100. Let's just try 90 here so that we can see what's happening. Why is the red have a too much width? Viewport width. What's wrong? 667.2. The web app. Three 557. The drag zone is not, since we changed it to 90% earlier. Image holder. But why is the we're a bit okay. I'm not sure what's happening. Oh, it still has a maybe I should hide, but the thing inside doesn't have a width. Oh, there's overflow scroll, so it's probably this one. It really is this one. Gap is 10px. Why? I don't understand. Oh, is it because we removed this one? Nope. Anyway, I think this is not a proper endeavor anymore, so I'll have to junk most of the properties in this. Maybe I'll put junk here. Then I'll recycle this one. So let's copy the no, the one that has the overflow must be the web app. It has to be the web app. Then the image holder only has a background color. Why? $190. Why? Oh, the padding inside. There are two 20s, then the width is 150. Okay. 190. But why is this like this? How do you, where is the viewport width? So the drag zone is 100 VW. The web app also has 100 VW. So the image files folder should also have the same width. But why? Or 1.4. 41.4. They are all the same. Oh, I was It was a zoom issue. Okay. Okay, it's back. So now we have to make computations. We will try first child. We will go with background color red. Didn't work. Why? Still. Oh, it overwrited the. There we go. So we now have this one axis scrollable thingy, and we would like to have it as a square. So we will be trying our best. So let's start with the width. The width should be, I forgot how to declare CSS variables. So where is it? So let's do this first. Square dimension. So to use this one, we will be, how do you use this? So var, okay. Like that. We are also using the same value for the height. So let's try something simple. If this is going to work, we will see. Okay, so it worked. Wait, why did they? Oh, we were wrong. Anyway, at least we know it worked. It should have not been here. It should have been here. Okay, there we go. Next, we are going to experiment with the dimensions. Let's try 50 vertical with a viewport width. So we will be trying. So hey, wait a minute, is that 50? Oh, it has a padding. Maybe let's remove the padding. Let's try. if I will be removing the padding if it's smaller. Okay, let's remove the padding doesn't help. Okay, let's remove now. You have no padding anymore. Okay, it's good. It's supposed to be 50%. So 207 is the half of 414 pixels. So where are we now? Let's go back to over here, I guess. So if we have, let's continue with the experiment just to be sure. So we now have a viewport width of, so if we will be removing 10 pixels each, so let's try. $20px. So we are expecting for this one to have the box inside to become smaller. If I'm just hoping that it will work. Okay, it works. It works. So we can now be sure that every time there is an image that is being uploaded here, it will always be 50%. So I think the best course of action now is maybe I should put a padding. Should I? What if I put 1 rem here? Maybe 2 rems. 2 rems is usually 8 to depending on the. Okay, that's very small. It's a bit better. So let's put, it has a padding of 10. So let's put padding 10. Image holder. Like that. So we already offsetted 1 rem for the outer, which is also 1 rem. So next we will be so 1 rem is only for the outside. So what if, okay, so let's put the height and width for all of them. It will be placed here. There we go. Then instead of padding, we will be using margin. We will put 1 rem again. there we go. Wait a minute, that's weird. That's weird. Oh no. What's happening? Oh no, we messed up. It's a problem. Already sa web app. So why is the margin of the first item doesn't work? The drag zone. It has an overflow auto. The image holder has a width of 100. Oh, that's why. Let's... Oh, that's very tricky. Let's put fit content for the height and see if that changes anything. Nope, it doesn't change anything. But why? Oh, maybe we forgot the display. Display flex. Okay, here we go. So it's downwards. Okay. This looks better now. Let's just copy and paste this to update our design. Okay, there we go. So we now have the problem here now is the bottom and this side over here. So I think we can on the image holder we can put a padding on the padding top, 1 rem, padding left, another 1 rem, Then for the image files, you can have padding right, 1 rem. Maybe not padding right. I think it's margin. One rem, and then we will be having margin bottom, still 1 rem. Okay. Next, we will be going back to this one. So our square has a dimension of 175.2. Let's minus 1 px. Wait, I'm pretty sure we... Oh, there's a ghost again. Oh my. Shit. Is it the margins? Nope. Is it the padding? Yep, it's padding. Oh, we forgot to... We have to minus the padding. We have to minus 1 rem top, 1 rem bottom, so this is going to be 1 rem all around. Okay, there we go. Next, the problem is the... Okay, this is good. This is the problem. There we go. Flex direction is supposed to be what do you call this? Row. Flex direction. Row. Where is it? Maybe 2 rem is too much. .5 rem. Oh, it's 1.5 since there are 2 sides, so I have to divide it by 2. Okay. This is good so far. So I like this one. It's actually better now. So this one's too large. Maybe I should do multiplication instead, or division. So for example, I have 100 viewport width here, and we will be dividing it by 2. Let's see if it has the same output. Okay, it's the same. So if we divide it by 3, okay, so that is where the problem starts. I'm not sure if this would work, but let's try. I think it works. Okay, it works. But the problem now is the RAM. The square dimension only accounts for the first one. Or maybe we should put this inside instead. Wait, let's try this one first. 2 columns. Okay, still good. So what if we will be putting this inside? Oh, my RAM is disabled. Oh, and it needs 3 RAM. So what if we put here 3? So it needs how much now? 4? I don't get it. How does the math even work here? +1? I guess it's +1. So let's try one rem here, and we will multiply it with the call count plus 1. Huh, it's gone. Oh, we forgot to put bar here. Okay, it's good. So let's go back with 2 columns. Okay, it's good. Let's go with 4 columns. Okay, that's good. I like it. I'm not sure if there's a simpler way of doing this. Let's try and find out. I have a code copilot, so I'm going to try and ask. Is there a simpler way of implementing this in CSS? Certainly, if you want to. Well, the AI still use my formula. Oh, it even the AI even give us the. That's nice, but I need the AI to no 1 rem bar call count. We have to add 1. So I guess our formula is already good. So let's add more. Divs for now. There we go. it's almost dynamic now, so I think it's good now. The formula is too long. You can see that the formula is too long. So far it's good. It automatically and mathematically adjusts itself. Let's see one column. Okay, it's good. Maybe I should give the user the freedom to choose how they want to view the maybe yes, maybe not. From what the AI gave me, the AI gave me a good grid system actually. It was quite short and the code is actually the image file. I need only this. Wait, this one's we don't use this anymore. Then the AI gave us this one. The gap is 1 rem, so there's no more need for the margin bottom and margin right. The AI has this one already. And then 1FR. I haven't been able to read about the templates, or I forgot what they call this one. Grid template column, so it would repeat. Bar column count. So this is the number of columns, probably. Let's try and see. Where's the 1FR? Here we go. Fractional units. So it was fractional units. You likely end up using a laptop. Fractional units. In CSS grid, like 1FR. Okay. They essentially mean portion of the remaining space. Oh, okay. This is quite a... That's actually amazing. So if I will be putting 1 here instead, they would have 50 and 50. That's amazing. Except that those percentage values are much more firm than a fraction. For example, if you added padding to those percentage-based columns, Now you're broken 100% with assuming a content box model. Oh, okay. Functional units are also much more friendly in combination with other units, as you can imagine. Minimum content. Oh, that's nice. So the AI said to repeat this. What would happen if... So this is the column count, then 1 FR. I think I need a visual one for this. Let's look for GFs. We are in need of a visual. Oh, that's nice. Actually, this is the reason why I wanted to use grid, because it doesn't use media queries. So maybe I'll still go back and learn this grid thingy. Oh, that's nice. But out of all the ones that are in here, I like this one. This is what I needed. I wanted to create a responsive, what do you call this? A responsive layout without depending heavily on media queries. This is very nice. Let's visit the website. Oh, that's just autofill, min max, auto grid, minimum size 16. Thank you very much. From, is that Riken or Riken? Or I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but thank you very much. Riken? Riken? Special shout out to you. We are currently studying about this grid system. I like it because it doesn't need media queries, so it's worth to learn. It's worth studying. Riken. Oh, it's Riken. It's not Riken. Okay, it's Riken. Do you also code? Do you also do programming? Oh, you're also learning JavaScript. I'm after after I finish my layout. This is my layout now, and I would like to make it responsive, but it's currently manual. So as you can see, if I change the column count here, save it and refresh the browser, I get this one. It's mathematically perfect now, but my problem is to make it dynamic, so I have to learn the grid system. I'm currently using Flex in this one. Earlier on the first part of my live stream session, I used to look like you are using magic. Oh, actually, I think it's the equivalent of modern day magic, since actually programming is just somewhat like a magician making up spells, but instead of spells they are using codes, something like that. Like, it's not an ordinary language, but still it's quite readable. So earlier you tried to use the grid template, but I failed. So I went back and tried to use Flex, which is I'm more familiar with. So I got this one. We can even try iPad. We can even change it to 4 columns here. There we go. So this is a 4 column, but I don't want to change this every time I have to use a different device. I have to make this one dynamic. Where are you from, brother? I'm from Southeast Asia. So that's why I think I have to learn the grid system. It's amazing. It's really amazing. It adjusts itself automatically. So let's try I'll try this one. The one that the AI gave us. Let's try this one. So for now, I'll change I'll rename this to grid. Then I'll rename the other one to Flex, so that I can reuse it more easily, or easier. Then let's... Oh, you're from Southeast Asia. Let's use grid. Let's destroy the UI for now. Southeast Asia. Let's do this. So for sure this will destroy there, it's destroyed. So let's use this one. Display grid. and the also the magic formula. Oops. So for now, let's see what will happen. Boom. Yay, Asia. Kid Nathan, you also in Southeast Asia? It's our CSS is now has a broken structure. So let's try and do some magic. So the column count. Actually, I was watching a SQL video, but Aaron bro live dragged me here. SQL is also good, especially once you what do you call this? When you start studying about normalization, that's the part where it gets really challenging, since you have to be able to visualize the tables, especially if they are already normalized, on how the query will form and retrieve the data for you when using joins. There are different kind of joins, so the best way to visualize the joins is probably with the use of Venn diagrams. So it's more like this, more something like this. Let's view it from a different. So it's something like this. It's better to visualize it this way. I think it's a guide. Actually, this one helped me also. SQL joins are very tricky. And aside from SQL joins, I think another thing that I was happy to learn about SQL is the subqueries and the nested queries. They are also very powerful and very useful. I'm not sure if where you are currently in your studies, so maybe that can, I'm not sure if that can help you in any way, but it was helpful for me, so just maybe. So going back, I have destroyed my CSS, so it's not responding the way we like it to, so we will be combining this one. So instead of repeat column count 1fr, we are going to use autofill, min-max, and something. Let's do this. It's actually almost the same with the structure that I'm using, so let's just try. From Riken, thank you, I appreciate it. There's no problem, you're welcome. Glad I could help. I'm not sure if it's actually helpful, but I'm just trying to share. So I'm into web development, so but sometimes I want to go to data analyst. Actually, currently data analysts, and the another one, cybersecurity. They are currently booming in the industry right now. I think there is high demand for them. They also pay quite a ludicrous amount, so maybe after graduation you can land on those jobs. But if you really like web development is fun in a way. I think data analysis also, and cybersecurity. But all in all, I think it also falls back to one's own preferences. It will burn you out if you're constantly doing something that you don't like, so the best choice is to go with what you like, I guess. But we are not sure with what future holds, so just always expect that there are times that sugar honey iced tea might happen. That's a reference from movie Madagascar. I'm not sure if you know that. It's a 3D animation movie. So I destroyed my columns, so let's try and duplicate this one. Do you do back end too, or just front end? Oh, I'm currently doing full stack, so I have back end, front end, UI, UX. I also handle database design. It's like I'm a jack of all trades when it comes to development. But actually, from how I see it, the more you specialize and go up the ladder, the better pay you will get. For example, if you started as a full stack, then some of the people I know are actually specializing now. They are getting better pay. So let's try to replace this one. Oh. It's just that I'm too late in studying this CSS grid. I have been using CSS Flex for so long. I haven't actually what language I actually prefer is between the debate of which language is better or which language is the best or something like that. I prefer to use the best tool for the job. So for backend, probably if for basic web development and small systems, maybe PHP is enough. For machine learning, maybe Python. Node is also rising. Node.js, it's a JavaScript backend language. So I think it's case to case basis for me. I don't prefer a language, but I have a comfort zone though. My comfort zone is PHP. That's where my foundation is. So I think comfort zone, I have PHP, but personal preference, um, I don't have a preference. I prefer to use the right tool for the job, so I think that's more practical, I guess, on my side. So let's try this one. I'm not sure if this would work. So the minimum is currently set to 4, so let's set it to 2. Let's see how this will be destroyed. Boom. I don't know what happened. Hey, I wanted to say good luck, man. Oh, thank you. Thank you. You're doing great. Thank you to Zachariah El Hariri. That's quite a peculiar name. Thank you for your support. But currently I'm having a breakdown here. What am I doing? So margin bottom, margin. Oh, let's put a temporary margin. Nope, it doesn't work. Sorry, I murdered your name. El Hariri? Zachariah is Zachariah. Sounds like that name is familiar. Zachariah. Is that biblical? Is that a biblical name? Zachariah. Zacharias. El Hariri is quite peculiar though. Gap, where's the gap? The gap is 1 rem. Oh, it's an Arabic name. Zakaria. I thought it was from a biblical person. I'm not sure. Oh, it's so you have your family name first before your name, before your given name. It's just the same with Japanese people, and wherein they have their family name first. I don't usually go to a live, but this felt interesting. Good luck, man. Let's meet another time. I subscribe. Oh, thank you very much for your support. I'm flattered. Thank you. That's also new to me. So Arabic names are also, they also have first their family name before their given name. That's quite a new trivia for me. That's nice to know. But I'm not sure what's happening here. Oh, that's why. It's because it's dependent with the viewport width. Oh, okay. Let's make a second square dimension. but that would call count. No, the call count is... Wait, we are doing something wrong. Auto grid minimum size. So the auto grid minimum size is a RAM. So let's just copy this one. Let's just faithfully copy this one. Okay, it adjusts automatically now. So maybe that's it for today. I'm quite content with what I have done today here. Let's put the thing back into Flex for now. Flex. What did I do? Oh, it's because of the scroll. The scroll is taking up space also. Overflow auto. That's quite problematic. Anyway, I guess I'll have to put it back to grid instead and finish this tomorrow. Well, not finish, I guess continue. So I guess that's it for now. Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.